Welcome to Chill and Chat Spanish. No books, no stress, no effort. Just relax, listen, and let the words sink in. We'll repeat the Spanish words, phrases, and their meanings so many times it's almost nauseating. Seriously, it's that intense. And guess what? You don't need thousands of words to learn a language. Even if you know just 100, as long as they're active and ready for use, you're way closer to mastering the language than by just memorizing vocab from a book. So kick back and let us do the hard work. Before you know it, you'll be speaking Spanish like a pro.
Hello, my friend. Today we're gonna work on a short story, and we're gonna use the words that you already know because of the previous lessons. I expect that you've reviewed and practiced and learned the previous words, so we can focus on the new ones and also on the short story. Okay. The story begins from the word hola. Hola means hello. Hola, soy Robert. Hello, I'm Robert. Hoy es un buen día. Hoy means today, you know that. Hoy es buen día. Today is a good day. So, hola, soy Robert. Hoy es un buen día. The second one. Mañana, tomorrow, voy a viajar con mi amigo. Tomorrow I'm going to travel with my friend. Hoy, I'm going to viajar, travel con mi amigo, with my friend. Mi amigo está feliz. Mi amigo está feliz. My friend is happy. Amigo means friend. You know that I always say hola amigo or hello amigo. Mi amigo, my friend, está feliz. It's happy. Y yo también. También, it's the meaning of the también is too. Y yo también estoy feliz. Did you understand the difference between the está and estoy? Mi amigo está feliz y yo también estoy feliz. Okay. Amo a mi familia y tengo un perro pequeño y un gato bonito. Amo, I love. You know that. We had this word before. Amo a mi familia. I love my family. Y tengo un perro. I have a dog. And what's the size of the dog? Pequeño. Tengo un perro pequeño y un gato, a cat. Un gato, a cat, bonito. Cute cat. So, amo a mi familia. Y tengo un perro pequeño y un gato bonito. Hoy, today, again, hoy, today, trabajo, I work, mucho, a lot. Hoy trabajo mucho. Today, I work a lot. En la casa, at home. We don't say in English at the home, but here we say en la casa. Para preparar el viaje. Preparar, I think preparar is the new word for you, but it's not very hard and you can simply understand the meaning. This is the infinitive form of the verb. The verb preparar. Preparar is the infinitive. I repeated this sentence again. Hoy trabajo mucho en la casa. Today I work a lot at home para preparar el viaje. For the trip. To prepare for the trip. Okay, next one is mi amigo dice. Mi amigo dice. Dice means says. Who says mi amigo, my friend? Dice Tranquila, todo va a estar bien. Tranquila, todo va a estar bien. Calm down, everything is going to be fine. Mi amigo dice tranquila, todo va a estar bien. My friend says calm down, everything is going to be fine. Okay, next one. Por la noche. You know that. Por la noche, at night. Por la noche, decimos. What's the meaning of decimos? We say. What's the difference between decimos and dice? Dice means he or she says, or it says. So my friend could be a he, could be a she, but it means that my friend says. But decimos, it's the short one of that nosotros decimos. Nosotros means we, so decimos means we say. We normally remove the first one, nosotros. Nosotros decimos, it means we say, but we can also say decimos. That means we say. Por la noche, at night, decimos, we say, buenas noches. Mañana será un buen día. Tomorrow will be a good day. So what's the meaning? At night we say good night. Tomorrow will be a good day. Okay, the word será, this is the third person singular future form of the ser, meaning to be, of the verb ser, meaning to be, but in the future, and it's a grammatic one, it's that for the future we say será. Será un buen día. Tomorrow will be a good day. Okay, next one. A la mañana siguiente. Siguiente means the next one. Okay, the following one, next one. A la mañana siguiente, the next morning. A la mañana siguiente. Again, decimos. Decimos means we say. A la mañana siguiente decimos buenos días. Vamos a la aventura. Adventure. It's so simple, you know. Buenos días. Good morning. Vamos a la aventura. Let's go on the adventure. Next one. Digo adiós. Digo, I say. Digo adiós a mi familia y a mi perro y gato. I say goodbye to my family and my dog and cat. Digo adiós a mi familia y a mi perro y gato. Mi amigo sonríe y dice, sonríe means smile. Mi amigo, my friend, smiles and says, mi amigo sonríe y dice, hasta luego, amigos. Hasta luego, amigos. See you later. Or maybe she or he could say, hasta pronto. Pronto means see you soon. Hasta luego. But here we have hasta luego. See you later, amigos, friends. Así empieza nuestro viaje. Empieza means begin. Empieza means to start or begin. This is the third person singular form of the verb empezar, meaning to start or to begin. So, así empieza nuestro viaje. And so our journey begins. Okay, I hope all the best for you, and I will I will talk with you in the next chapter. Have a good day. Bye.